breakfast. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Shweza? Yeah. Back.
Choco bow for the result. Nothing to discuss. Cause I did by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl. It's out. I'm a mind that's
I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't.
Y'all, so y'all saw the clip when I had just woken up. I did not feel like talking, but we are currently at the airport. Welcome back to the channel. So the semester break is over. We went from Cape Town to Durban, and now we're going back to Cape Town. Let's get this degree or whatever.
I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need
Because I was trying to phone you, and then
no other one. You don't need no other.
we're boarding.
Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
Now, one thing about us in this house, before we get on the plane, we're blessed in the blood of Jesus. Let me tell you something.
You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind. I'm not me to give you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every
An elevated flying experience.
Manje ucasukile.
The QR code on the latest front left.
Working.
Yeah. We've arrived. Shweza? Yeah. Ngathi nje kungasheshwa kwelapha. Oh, I don't know why I said ayingeke banda. Uya kwi-voyage wena.
It's not that big.
Okay, so we've arrived at the airport. We're currently at baggage reclaim. Everyone's getting their mtwalos. Amash is getting her mtwalo, Banda got her mtwalo, I got my mtwalo, and we're okay.
When you landed.
Thank you. Thank you.
body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. I know I gave you what you needed. I know what you like.
Okay, so we're finally back in my room. My roommate's already I just checked in. Then I went to go activate my student card, and now I have to wait until 2 because the matrons are at lunch right now, and then I can get my stuff from storage. So I'm finally in my room. Actually, I've been here. I really just came here, left my luggage, then did a whole bunch of stuff. Let me tell you what I did. So my sister dropped me off. And then I had to sign in. Why was I yanking my braids? First of all, cut the cameras. Anyways, so I got here, left my luggage, I had to sign in downstairs with the matrons. And then after that, oh, I had to go back out again and go and go to Reslife. I'm losing my train of thought. I apologize. It was a long day. Well, it's been a long day. What was I saying? Oh, and then I had to go to Reslife in order to activate my student card for my room. They really need to do better with that system because my student card works downstairs at the turnstiles. Is that what you call it? The little gate thingies. But to come into my room, it doesn't work. So I had to go activate it and now it works. So now I'm just chilling. I'm gonna take off these shoes. I think I'm just gonna take all of these clothes off because I don't want to get them dirty because I'm gonna wear them later on when we go out. But yeah, now I have to wait until it's 2 p.m. because the matrons are at lunch right now, and only then will I be able to go get my stuff from storage. It's a lot going on. Thank you. It's a lot going on, but it's whatever. I've checked in, now I just have to get my stuff from storage, unpack a few things. I don't even think I'm gonna have time to take a nap anymore because I was planning on taking a nap before we go because I'm really tired. Hopefully the shower wakes me up, and then yeah, we're gonna head out. But so far, yeah, it's cute to be here. It's nice to see everyone. The flights with my friends was absolutely amazing. It was actually really fun. We should do that more often. It was actually our first time being on the same flights because we've always tried to do it before, but then the times that we leave for VAC would always be different on the same flights, and it was really cute. It was actually really fun. I don't know how because we're just sitting in one seat, but I think just having conversations, just being with your friend, I think it's just that exciting feeling of being on the same flight as your friend. But anyways, so yeah, like I said, right now I'm just chilling. I'm gonna take off these clothes. I don't want to get them dirty because I'm planning on wearing them when we go out later for a little, you know, family reunion dinner or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up my camera there. Not me talking about all the other things coming back on here as if I wasn't gone for 4 months. Scary. It doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter anymore. I was just bored over YouTube. I don't know. I just didn't feel like recording anymore. And then school got hectic. And I've been enjoying a pillow motivation, to be honest. But my friends have forced me to get back on my Zoom. So we're back like umhlan. Hey y'all, so it is a couple of hours later. I wouldn't say I'm done unpacking, but I've unpacked most stuff. So right now I'm currently walking to my friends' res because all of them live off campus, so it makes sense for me to just go there, and then we're gonna request from there instead of all of them coming here to campus. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing, and then we're gonna go out for dinner. I'm so tired, I'm starving, and it's gonna be a walk, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna catch you guys later.
I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got.
Hey, abo ka tleho shame nokushuta. Hayibo.
Kukhona nje le phela.
Hayi nangoke business manje leyijudge. Kumi vlog on business judge lapho. Uyasala futhi akuthanda ukusalela namhlanje. Ngathi yasizwa vele la this semester ngathi sothwala kanzima.
Yebo.
Yes.
It's my YouTube channel.
If I watch for the social soccer in.
Yeah,
Welcome back to my
little
YouTube
channel.
I don't know why you're the one. Join me out of
Where am I?
Sanibona bafethu. So sesibuyile YouTube manje. Like, comment and subscribe
Thank
to
you.
Lingelo's YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Share with 1 or 2 friends because that is good for you.
Meaning to share with 4. Yeah, cut the cameras. Thank you.
Why is that so unnecessary? Why would you
I
say
get to
that?
put a freezer and I was on the
Can't. Let's retake cake.
no gama.
You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
y'all will not believe what's going on right now. So slept early yesterday, woke up early, had early classes, had my day planned to the T. Not after my class, my friends are calling me on some let's go on a cruise. These kids are blowing up my phone. I'm like, why are both of them blowing up my phone? They're like, let's go on a cruise. Let's go on a cruise. It's really cheap. Comes with the food. Let's go on a cruise. And obviously, I'm not going to let it up. In this family, we live for spontaneous things. So we're doing a cruise today. Come with me to go on a cruise. So Ningbon, it's so dark. I'm so sorry for the terrible lighting. But I'm walking back to my race right now. Like crazy. Had a morning class. I don't have time to be looking super cute in the morning. I'm so sorry. I was actually supposed to be going to the gym right now because my class ended at 10 minutes past 10. Gym opens for 11 after cleaning. I was supposed to be heading to the gym, but no. Okay, so lighting that's a bit better. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. You can just tell I have my morning face on right now. I don't even look awake. But trust me, I'm feeling good. I am awake. I slept early yesterday, like I said. Did the things I need to do this morning. I am awake. I know I just don't look awake. It's early in the morning. Forgive me. But yeah, before we go, I have to eat something. I made a toasted sandwich yesterday with egg and cheese last night, and I didn't finish it. I always make 4 slices and I only end up eating 3. So I'm gonna eat my 4th one right now, have a banana, freshen up, and then we're out of here. Everyone else is taking a shower because they didn't have any morning classes. I just had a morning class. I just had morning classes, like 2 classes. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna wear because the sun is out, but it is not hot. Also, everybody is ready. We are currently waiting for the others to come, and then we're requesting an Uber, and then we're gonna hit the road.
Hey, got job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. Alibigo and shadow, Alibigo and shadow, Alibigo and shadow, Alibigo and shadow, Alibigo and I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your
Hey, blasé en fan. But I was having we have arrived, about to go on the boat now.
We must attend the exam and bring it to class tomorrow.
It is a bit breezy this side, I must say. But I mean, it's not summer as yet, so I guess. Bafethu kwaphithizela. Bafunani vele ngabe basemsebenzini? Abase hey. Uyayibona yini yenza nje? Hayi kabi. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Bro.
Ferrari for leggy bona. Na sumati we make with the feel.
It's DDD.
Lover, my feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife.
I just want to say that the views are crazy up here. It's so cute. The weather is okay, so we are currently waiting for our waitress to come so we can order drinks and then we go on the ride. I'm excited. The weather is really nice actually. I'm so surprised. It's not like too cold. It's not super hot, but it's also not too cold. And the sun is out. So the vibes are vibing. The water is so pretty, the birds, the boats, beautiful.
Get it right, young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo, I need to go and shadow.
Anthony, what do you mean there's so many?
No, it's 5 of us. No. Oh yeah, it's crowded.
Mhlawumbe kodwa kumnandi ukudla. Mina sitheme ngithi fingers crossed ngoba into like apha sometimes. It was, but since someone ngiyadlala.
Akafuna ukusala ezintweni.
Okay, so we just finished eating. What about me? I feel like I never record the food parts.
Nah, it's always like I've just finished eating.
I always forget, I'm sorry. But now we're going on the boat. Right. So I got bandai got the just a bit chalet. But I saw. But now we're going on the boat.
I need to move the shoes so that I sit that side so that the feet are like.
Wait, are we coming in here?
Okay, so we just decided to go to the front so we can catch the sun. Woo! This is so cute. Agama said he would like to show.
Take that shit off.
I just want to say that the weather is so nice on here. Sorry if the lights in this bad, so we're still on the boat. The kids are there. I'm just taking in the slow view. I think it's really cute. The weather is nice. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. The sun feels amazing on my skin. And yeah, I just can't wait for the slow ride. I don't know if it's 30 minutes or an hour. I can't remember what they said. Oh, I guess it's an hour. It's an hour ride. So it was supposed to be 30 minutes, but then he said we're gonna give you guys an hour. So that was really cool. But yeah.
I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go
This one I bet you will jabba. Me I no get time, da. Dada cover my face, calling me abba. Biggie man we do be abba. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure.
Hey sorry if my eyes are watering. I just took the biggest yawn ever. But anyways, I didn't close out yesterday's video yesterday. So we'll see where the rest of the semester takes us. The rest of the vlogging takes us. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And that you'll stay tuned for the next one. Bye, sweets.
What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend. They get it, ride the whip. I know we